Here I have some fake OPPO device, and let me show you how to do factory reset through settings on the following smartphone. First of all, let's go to settings, and now let's slide down to backup and reset. Now let's choose factory data reset. Now choose reset phone. Remember that all your personal data will be erased, and let's choose erase everything. Okay, now our smartphone will erase all the data. Okay, now we need to wait until our device turns on. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.